Hey guys, Adrian here. This is a quick video that hopefully will help someone. If you have a TC Electronics System 6000 and your routing or scenes and even your licenses are lost, it is time for your mainframe battery replacement. From what I understand, the mainframe's battery keeps your licenses, routes, scenes, etc. And for some reason, it is really hard to find information about this topic on the internet. This is why I decided to create this video. If you want to change the battery in the mainframe, you should know that it is not an easy task. That is, if you're not good at soldering. In my case, I asked a professional to help me with this. To locate the battery, which is a CR2032 model, you need to open the mainframe and you'll find it here. In my case, it seems that the battery was changed at a TC Electronics Center, and you can see that it was soldered directly on the board. So we hoped that things will be easy, and maybe we can solder a battery holder to make it easier for future battery replacement. Unfortunately, the holes on the board have a smaller distance than the pins on a standard CR2032 battery holder. We still tried to make it work. After 4 destroyed battery holders, we gave up on the idea. We also tried to detach these plates from the battery with no luck. This is when I suggested to solder a cable like an extension and then solder a battery holder. And this is what we ended with. By the way, this is a holder given me by the technician and not a standard one. I wonder why TC Electronics haven't used a normal battery holder like they did in the CPU remote, which makes the battery replacement a lot easier. I changed the CPU battery in 5 seconds. Anyway, it is worth mentioning that after the soldering was done, I added some scenes on the system, then I shut down the system, took out the battery for about 15-20 seconds, then I put back the battery and I started the system again, and the scenes were there. From this experiment, I suppose that if you not wait for your battery to discharge completely and you change it quickly after you shut down the system, maybe there is a chance for not losing your licenses and all your data, but it's only my supposition. In case you change your battery after you lost all your data, go to Frame, System, License, and you should get this message with a restore key. From my experience, the restore key changes after rebooting the system, in case you haven't changed a new battery yet. After you change the battery, the restore key stays the same. Therefore, I suggest you to change the battery first, then send the restore key to TC Electronics in order to get back your licenses. Also, chances are that if you don't have a backup, you might lose your routings and scenes before changing the battery. So the bottom line is create your backups if you can, change the battery, then send the restore key to TC Electronics. That's it guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.